In this video I will talk about the generation of build files, notably package.xml and the CMakeLists.txt file from a component definition, and in this case in particular from the AMCL component definition. So for many components you don't need any additional dependencies, but in case of the AMCL component you need additional dependencies because it's internally using some more packages that are exposed here on the ports. So this can be specified on the component definition model level. You see here that in addition to the dependencies that you can infer from the use of service definitions here on the port level, we need 3 additional ROS2 packages, notably navigation to util, message filters and sensor messages. So the reason for the first is that AMCL components internally use in the implementation navigation to util classes, and the message filters and sensor messages are used by additional subscribers that are only in the manual code. So let's look at the generated build files. Here you see the CMakeLists, and you see all the find packages that correspond to the partly to the elements that we have specified and the additional dependencies on the model level, so the navigation to util, the message filter and the sensor messages. But here the geometry and navigation and standard services messages have been inferred automatically from the port definitions. The tool has also inferred that we use on the one hand the generated code, and on the other hand we have some functions inside that need manual code, so it has generated here the executable and added not only the source gen file but also the manual code file in the source folder. Something which is also interesting in case of the navigation to util is that besides of the node definition itself, there are some additional source files that need to be compiled. You see here the 4 subdirectories, PF map, motion model and sensors, and here you have a section inside the generated CMakeLists file that allow you to add these dependencies. Let's now look at the package.xml using a normal text editor, and you'll also see that all the dependencies we have specified are added on the one hand as build dependencies, on the others as exec dependencies. Yeah, that was the short explanation of the generation on build files. Thanks.